Check out this video that I recently posted on TikTok.
Oh my God!
Okay, so to create a video like this, first of all you need to record two videos. The first video would be look something like this, where you first hitting anything and then you are running towards the camera. You can take multiple shots if you think you will not find a perfect fit in the first place. Okay, and we also need to record empty background for a few seconds, and the second video we need our finger snap like this. Okay, then you can use any video editor. I personally prefer Filmora, but you can also create similar effect in the CapCut or any other video editor that let you remove background and import both of clips. So first we will use this video, we will add to the timeline, and where background is our empty background, we will apply a cut and we will use it later on. Okay, now this is our main video. So first let me remove the background audio, and here okay, so here is the perfect cut. So this is, I don't want this video, so I will delete it. So now here is my video. So when I'm start running toward camera, so here I will apply a cut, and this will be the starting of our video. So, and here I will apply another cut and I will delete this part, and I will add this part near to the video. So, and this empty background we will add it here. So now our video looks something like this. Maybe we don't need this thing when I'm not moving, so I'm gonna delete it. Alright, so first of all, what I will do, I will click on this video, and in the CapCut you can remove background. However, if you are using Filmora, then click on this Smart Cutout, and here I will draw a brush on myself, so it will remove background. And it can make mistakes, so you can it actually created keyframe, so I will delete this point. I will go to starting, and here I will draw a brush on myself. Alright, so we can zoom in to perfectly draw a brush on ourselves. CapCut doesn't remove my background quickly. Maybe my outfit is matching with the background, so that's why I'm using WonderShare Filmora, because I can customize these things inside the Filmora. So here we need to correct a lot of things for almost every frame. You might not face this, for example, it is missing my boot, so this effect will not look good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna edit every frame. I'm gonna correct this thing for every frame, and all right, so I have a perfectly removed background. Basically I have draw brush for every frame, as you can see, and it is working quite good now. So I will click on save it, and my video was a little bit slow, so I made it faster, and I have trimmed the background. So now our effect, and for the starting I have applied a keyframe. Basically you can go to basic, and you can make it size bigger. Make sure it should be similar to the last frame where we are just walking towards the camera. You don't need the exact thing, but it should be similar. As you can see, like size is almost similar. So I will create a keyframe here, and I have created a last keyframe here. Make sure your video should be fast enough. If your video is slow, then you will not achieve this effect perfectly. So here is our video. How does it look like right now? Okay, so now we need to add this finger. So this is the video, and what I'm gonna again add to my timeline, and for the first few I will trim it, and for that we can also delete rest of the clip, we don't need it. And for I will click on it, and again I will go to Smart Cut out, and here what I will do, when I will draw brush, and then I will go to advanced mode, and now click on this thing. It worked perfectly fine except few things I can show you. As you can see, it is missing my arm here. So I'm gonna add a brush. Alright, now we are done, and I will add it above this video clip, and make sure you perfectly sync this thing. So I'm adding here, so I will add a pointer, and now I will drag and drop like this. So here is our video. So this empty, I'm gonna also trim this thing. Right, you see, so make sure you match this area. Now our video is perfect. Now make sure you apply some kind of music. So video should look like in a loop, and user should not be actually find out when it is starting and when it is ending. Alright, so now you can export your video. Thank you everyone for watching the video.